Off.
So we're taking off?
Yeah.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Here we go. Whoa! You just took off from the stairs. Here, let's come straight back towards it so we can...
Oh, lost him. I got him. And lost him in the cloud. Oh, there he is. Oh my goodness, where did it go?
Flat stall.
I like totally cannot. He's like a...
You want me to bring it back straight towards us?
Uh-huh.
Alright, hold on. Here we come. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Ready?
Yep, he's coming
Ready?
straight.
Ready?
Huh.
Hey, should I bring it by upside down?
Oh yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, okay. Here we go. Ready?
Hang on. Hang on. Ooh. You want me to go get that?
No, I think I'll go get that one. That one kind of hurt, don't you think?
Yeah.
I wonder
Yeah, I'll
what
stop
happened.
it now. Should I stop it?
Yeah.